Hello and welcome to our Smart Film Installation Guide. A clean, dust-free installation environment is crucial for a flawless smart film application. Let's dive into the key steps for preparing your installation area. Start off by vacuuming the floor and all of the surrounding surfaces. It's vital to remove as much dust and debris as possible from the installation area. This step significantly reduces the chances of any particles getting trapped under the smart film during application. Next, focus on the glass surface. Use isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth to meticulously clean it. This step removes dirt, grease, and residues, ensuring the smart film adheres properly. Make sure every inch is covered for the best results. Paying close attention to the window frame is crucial, as overlooked dirt or grime can easily transfer to the glass or film during installation. Take the time to thoroughly clean the frame. It's an investment in a smooth installation and enduring results. After cleaning, it's important to let the glass surface air dry completely. The quick evaporating nature of alcohol means it won't leave any residue behind. But remember, any leftover moisture can interfere with the installation, so ensure the glass is entirely dry. Before starting the installation, turn off any air conditioning or heating systems to prevent dust from circulating. In environments with excessive dust or debris, consider lightly misting the air with a water-filled spray bottle. Allow the air to settle, ensuring no droplets remain on the glass or film. Remember, the smart film panels should be dust-free before installation as well. By following these steps, you're setting the stage for a successful smart film application on your windows. Cleanliness is the key to achieving a professional, flawless finish. Thank you for watching. You're now ready to move on to the next step of your smart film installation. For more helpful guides and tips on smart film applications, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Want more personalized advice or have specific questions? Get in touch with us. We're here to help you achieve the best results with your smart film project.